Hello and welcome to FinextraTV. I'm Liam Sevier and you join us at Money 2020 in Amsterdam, where we're going to be talking about cross-border payments and mobile wallets. Joining me in that conversation is Stanley Wachs of Dandelion Payments. Welcome. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
So if we talk about mobile wallets first, obviously we've had a lot of changes in that area. It's one of my favourite parts of payments. Have we moved fast enough, do you think, for the average consumer globally?
So I think from a customer standpoint, customers are expecting cross-border payments to be as fast as domestic payments, meaning instant, real-time. Mobile payments across the world have been, over the last years, really exploded in terms of adoption. I think one of the challenges in this area is less the customer expectations, but it's more around how banks, infrastructures, but also fintechs are offering mobile payment offerings to customers. So the opportunity is there. We've seen in many markets in Africa, in Asia, that actually from a cross-border payment standpoint, customers are actually preferring to receive money on a mobile wallet rather than receiving it in cash. And that is expected to continue to grow over the next years.
And there's some areas, obviously, we've had more of a struggle with cross-border, some find it a bit easier. Why is that so important that we get it right, especially for growth?
I think firstly, cross-border payments flows is a huge and explosive market around the world. It's a market that we expect will be more than $300 trillion by 2032. So it's a market that's significantly growing. It's a market whereby banks have often focused more on established American or European markets, but not actually have focused on providing seamless, superior quality and excellent service in emerging markets. And 8 out of 10 consumer payments today are actually paid out in emerging markets. Now, legacy systems and infrastructure that has not always changed a lot over the last years is also a reason why many banks have not adopted and have not modernized their payment rails in order to serve customers in these emerging markets.
And we speak to a lot of people, especially with cross-border payments recently. Some people are worried about the cost, or some people are worried about how they approach it. What solutions are out there that are perhaps new, perhaps changing, that would be really helpful for?
So it's a market that has been extremely dynamic in terms of innovation. We believe that there is a new approach to all this. And at Dandelion Payments, we are positioned today to help banks and fintechs modernize their payment rails. We are positioned as the largest real-time cross-border payments network platform in the world. We can, through either an API integration, we can also digest Swift messages for banks that can help banks from a go-to-market standpoint actually accelerate and modernize and improve the offering they have both to their individual customers but also to their corporate customers. We offer mobile wallet payouts in real time in more than 60 countries around the world. We can do account-to-account, real-time deposits, and we are the best in the industry at anyone that is in Money 2020 offering such solutions. But we also have the largest cash pickup network around the world. All of that put together can really help banks modernize their payment rails and basically offer more quality, more choice, and service options to their customers.
Well, it sounds exciting. It sounds optimistic too, which is always nice. Thank you for joining us. It's been a pleasure speaking to you, and I'll let you get back to the event.
Thank you very much.